Hello, and welcome to this video on creating your perfect day. We all have dreams and aspirations for our lives, but sometimes it can be hard to know where to start. In this video, we will discuss how to create your perfect day, step by step. Step 1, visualize your perfect day. The first step in creating your perfect day is to visualize what it looks like. Think about what you would do, where you would go, and who you would spend time with. Imagine every detail, from when you wake up to when you go to bed. Step 2, identify what makes you happy. The next step is to identify what makes you happy. What activities bring you joy? What are your passions and interests? This will help you plan your perfect day around what truly matters to you. Step 3, prioritize your time. Once you know what makes you happy, it's time to prioritize your time. What activities are most important to you? Please make a list of your top priorities and plan your day around them. Step 4, be realistic. While it's important to dream big, it's also important to be realistic. Make sure your goals are attainable and within reach. Don't set yourself up for disappointment by planning a day that is impossible to achieve. Step 5, take action. The final step is to take action. Start planning your perfect day, then take the steps needed to make it happen. Whether scheduling activities, booking reservations, or setting aside time for yourself, take action to create your perfect day a reality. Thank you for watching this video on creating your perfect day. You can make your dreams a reality by visualizing your perfect day, identifying what makes you happy, prioritizing your time, being realistic, and taking action. Start planning your perfect day today and take the first step towards a happier, more fulfilled life.